हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल शिल्पी अनप्लैन्ड। आई एम शिल्पी बैनर्जी और अभी चलते हैं रामायणा केव विच इज़ जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू बाटू केव्स। अभी यहाँ से ये है रामायणा केव्स। यहाँ पे ये देखिए, ये रहा जटायु का एक आइडल। ये देखिए, some story behind it which I am not aware of it. सो रामायणा केव के लिए शायद टिकट्स लेना पड़ेगा। कितना देखते हैं। So we paid 15 ringgit each. No ticket for kids. That's the cave, natural limestone cave. यहाँ से देखिए, यहाँ से पानी ड्रिप हो रहा है and nobody knows the source of this water. Now Ricky is entering there to check what is there inside. কি আছে রিকি? That's a shortcut? Okay. It's a natural limestone and as I'm touching it, कितना कोल्ड है पता है? ये बहुत ठंडा ठंडा है। ये देखिए, यहाँ से भी देखिए पानी ड्रिप हो रहा है। Probably nobody knows the source of the water. Okay. Valmiki, a Sanskrit poet writing the life history of Rama. Rama is the seventh avatar of Vishnu. So here Rishi Valmiki is writing the story. The entire story of Ramayana is being portrayed here. Dasarathan, the king of Ayodhya, praying to God to bless him with children. Now next here we can see Rama is born to Kaushalya and Dasarathan. Here we have little Rama. Twins Lakshman and Shatrughan are born to Sumitra. Next here we have Bharatan is born to Queen Kaikeyi. Rama, Lakshman and Shatrughan learning Vedas. Rama, Lakshman and Shatrughan learning the art of archery. Here Rama and Lakshman destroying the demoness Thadagai, which interrupted the ritual of Vishwamitra. Kindly oblige me for my pronunciations. Okay, Ahalya returns to life from rock upon contact with Rama's toes. Vishwamitra, Rama and Lakshman on the way to Mithila city. They are going to Mithila city. Sita watching Rama arriving for Swayamvara from her palace balcony. That's the balcony where Sita is watching. Rama lifts the giant bow, strings it and fan snaps it to marry Sita. Rama, Sita and Lakshman crossing the Ganga river of Kugan's boat. Here we can see Bharatan receives a pair of wooden sandals from Rama to assume kingship of Ayodhya. Sita asks Rama to catch the magical golden deer which was sent by Ravana. Ravana cutting off the wings of Jatayu, a demigod, when it tried to stop him from flying away with Sita. Here Sita, while being forcibly carried away by Ravana in his chariot, screams for help. Vicky? Coronation of Rama to the throne of Ayodhya after returning from 14 years of exile in the forest. There's another steps. Look at the cave. Oh, these lights are the only source of light here. There is no another source. There's even a waterfall. And probably nobody knows the source of the water. बाप रे बाप. देखिए कितना लंबा है, हम लोग वो नीचे से आए हैं। फाइनली क्लाइंब करने के बाद ये देखिए, ऐसे एक जगह में हम लोग पहुँचे, हर जगह से पानी ड्रिप हो रहा है। एंड वी आर वॉकिंग ऑन द रॉक्स, limestone. कैन एक्चुअली फील अंदर ना ऑक्सीजन थोड़ा कम है, क्योंकि बहुत हाफ आ रहे हैं। ओके, और ऊपर से जैसे ना, मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना, मतलब वो बहुत कॉस्ट्रोफोबिक लग रहा है। यहाँ से देखिए, यहाँ पे पानी ड्रिप हो रहा है कहीं से, कहाँ से गॉड नोज। Nice experience, a thrilling and adventurous experience indeed. So there's nothing, I believe. That's a dead end. अभी हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं यहाँ से होके। Came down from here and now we are going this side. यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी देखिए स्टेप्स हैं, और यहाँ से तो जैसे स्वर्ग का सीढ़ी बोलते हैं ना, वैसा है। हेवनली स्टेप्स टू हेवन। कितना लंबा लंबा है देखिए। आई विल नॉट रिकॉर्ड नाउ, मैं पकड़ के जाऊंगी ऊपर। नाउ वी आर क्लाइंबिंग डाउन। अभी नीचे दोबारा रामायण का जो स्टोरी का पोर्ट्रे है इधर। आई विल कंटिन्यू विद द स्टोरी पोर्ट्रे। I can hear the creaking sound of bats. Oh yes. Not sure about bats or something like this. Those are pigeons. But I can also hear creaking sound of bats. समझ में आ नहीं रहा है कि कहाँ से आ रहा है वो साउंड, but I can hear it. How? यहाँ पे हनुमान comforts Sita by saying that Rama soon will come to save her. That's the place. And here Hanuman at Ravan's court advising him to release Sita. Hanuman's tail is set on fire. And here Vibhishan, the youngest brother of Ravan, meets Rama. The monkeys gather rocks and boulders to build a causeway to Lanka, the home of Ravana. The army of Sugriva along with Hanuman construct a bridge on the ocean to enable Rama to reach Lanka for the final battle to win back Sita from the clutches of Ravana. Attempting to wake up Kumbhakarna, the brother of Ravana, from sleep to wage war against Rama. So that's Kumbhakarna. इधर है वेलकम टू चक्र केव. वन मोर केव इज देयर, चक्र केव. So here we can see Rama, Lakshman and Hanuman lead their forces for the final battle with Ravana. And here finally we can see Ravana in chariot leads his army into the final battle with Rama. यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे और एक केव है, इट्स चक्र केव. नाउ लेट्स गो एंड चेक उधर उसके अंदर क्या है. एंड इट्स सो अमेजिंग. वाओ. देखिए पूरा केव देखिए कैसा है. वाओ, नाइस, वेरी नाइस. So that's the Chakra cave. और तो कुछ है नहीं. That's the end. That's the end, I believe, Vicky. There's no way out. Come. So overall a very nice experience. But wahi Aditya got a cramp on his right leg, muscle cramp suddenly, and now he's sitting. We are done with Ramayana cave. Abhi we are going out. यहाँ पे भी देखिए, यहाँ पे भी फिश है, बहुत सारे फिश हैं. So friends, that's all for today. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.